In today's video, I'll teach you how to make YouTube channel on Android phone. So first of all, once open YouTube application, you can see over here YouTube has been opened. So if you want to create a YouTube channel, it is actually very simple. All you need to do is sign in to your Google account. For that, tap on the U icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now what you have to do is tap on this option sign in that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see several accounts over here. If you haven't already created the account, tap on the plus icon that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to sign in to your Google account. Use your email or phone in order to sign in. Tap on the field of email or phone and enter the email address or phone number over here. Now tap on the next option. Now once you do that, enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can tap on this option forget password and you'll be able to reset it. After that, tap on the next option. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be signed into your account and your channel will be created. Your channel information will be uploaded according to the information that you've given to the Google. You can simply tap on this option view channel. Now after that, you'll be able to view the channel over here. You can go ahead and edit the channel if you want. So like this, you'll be able to make the channel. So that is how you make YouTube channel on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.